Do you have a guitar sitting in the corner of your room and you've been thinking about getting a stand for it made out of wood? So I went online and found out that you have to pay $100 or more for just a few pieces of wood. That's a little much, so I decided to make it myself. So I started out by just getting some rough measurements for my guitar, like how wide the body is, how tall the body is, the width of the neck. And then I decided to make the base of the stand roughly the same width as the body. And looking at those stands that you can buy, I sort of eyeballed that they angle around 20 degrees. So that's why I sloped this like that. I wanted it to taper towards the neck, and then there's going to be this little piece on the top that's going to sit right there on that notch, and that's going to be around the same place where the neck is at its final thickness. So with this taper, I also have these pieces left on the side, so I figured I can make the feet out of that. So I drew some notches on the bottom of the base and in the feet, so I can put this together without screws and without glue. Then this top part, that's going to hold the guitar. And for my particular guitar, it doesn't have to be this big because it's electric, so it's a thinner body. But just in case, you know, if you have an acoustic guitar with a thicker body or something like that, then it will also be able to hold that. So with the design done, all I need to do is print it out, transfer it to a piece of wood, and cut it. And just like that, you have the 4 pieces cut for your guitar stand. This little one goes on top here, and these pieces on the side slide in here for the legs. There's one, and there's the other one. And because they have that angle, you get a natural tilt that you have on other guitar stands. As you can see, I changed my mind a little bit. I cut those points in the back in half because they stuck out a lot and they're not really necessary. When I was looking at other stands online, I sort of eyeballed the angle around 20 degrees, but probably 15 or somewhere between 15 and 20 is better. Because if I put a guitar on it, it leans pretty far back. It is very stable this way, but if you want it to stand up a little bit more and not lean back so much, you can actually move it a little bit. Just moving the body of the guitar all the way to the front and letting it sit like this, now it's closer to 15 degrees instead of 20. Takes up less space. If you built yourself a guitar stand, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to do this if you like this kind of stuff. And there should be something for you to watch next, here or here. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.